Hey guys, this is the chord structure for E Na Hoefa, so it's worth having a watch. Okay, I'm going to sing along, so you have to track the chords by yourself. Okay, ready? We start on E. Kiyaka. Kiyaka. Alright, so so those are the chords. Give it a go, track it if you can. I'll try and write the instructions as well, but yeah, best thing to do is give it a go. Try and figure out how you can fit in terms of the strumming, and the rest will come. Alright, cheers.